Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed participants, on this video session, thank you for joining me in this intriguing conference session as we embark on a deep dive into the realm of bypassing next-generation 2FA and MFA security measures in the evolving landscape of cybersecurity, understanding the strengths and vulnerabilities of these authentication methods is crucial for safeguarding our digital world. As organizations strive to fortify their defenses, attackers also evolve their tactics. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, and multi-factor authentication, MFA, emerged as powerful shields, adding an extra layer of security. However, let's face the reality: no security measure is impenetrable. Our purpose today is not to undermine these measures, but to enlighten ourselves about potential risks and fortify our defense strategies.
In the next 15 minutes, we will navigate through the intricacies of bypassing 2FA and MFA. We'll explore real-world examples of successful bypasses and dissect the underlying techniques, from phishing and social engineering to SIM swapping and biometric spoofing.
We'll unravel the methods that attackers employ to sidestep these barriers.
Understanding the adversary's mindset is paramount. By delving into their tactics, we gain insights that enable us to better protect our systems. We'll discuss the importance of continuous monitoring, anomaly detection, and user education in mitigating these risks.
Moreover, this session is not just about threats. It's about empowerment. Armed with this knowledge, we can adapt our strategies to stay one step ahead. We'll discuss proactive steps, such as implementing adaptive authentication,
leveraging behavioral analytics, and integrating advanced machine learning algorithms to strengthen our defense mechanisms.
Remember, the goal is not to discourage the use of 2FA in MFA. On the contrary, it's to reinforce their significance while acknowledging their limitations. As we conclude this session, I urge you all to share the insights gained here with your teams and organizations.
Together, we can build a more resilient digital landscape. Thank you for your attention. Let's embark on this enlightening journey into the depths of bypassing next-generation 2FA and MFA security measures.
If anybody has questions in mind, please free to ask me.
Yes, I have a question, please.
What today's challenge in 2023 at Global Next Generation? 2FA and MFA security measures.
In 2023, one of the key challenges with next generation 2FA and MFA security measures lies in striking the right balance between enhanced security and user convenience. As technology advances, ensuring seamless and user-friendly authentication experiences becomes crucial to encourage widespread adoption. Additionally, addressing the potential vulnerabilities of emerging authentication methods such as biometrics and countering advanced attacks that target these measures pose ongoing challenges. Collaborative efforts are needed to refine and innovate authentication solutions that not only thwart sophisticated threats, but also accommodate the expectations and needs of users in an increasingly digital world.
Ladies and gentlemen, you guys really good audience. Thank you so much for the appreciation. Inshallah, in future your host Saad Ahmed at 87 Techies Mania. Meet soon in next workshop.